Good day, guys. I'm here to compare these Samsung Evo drives. So first of all, I got this one here. This is Samsung Evo 8TB drive, and I use this as my work drive for my Mac Studio. I use it with when I go out and use my laptop. I put my catalogs here. I put my precious work here. This is 8TB, so it's a lot of data here. And the thing is, I've used around 4TB here, and I've seen that they had made this Samsung T5, which is an Evo, and it's also 8TB. So I was like thinking, hey, this is a good thing. I should move all my stuff here. That way, if I want to work outdoors, if I want to work off-site, I'll have my 8TB work in this tiny thing, and I can edit it in my Mac Air, my MacBook. If I don't have a MacBook, but if I have another computer out there, I can edit on this drive here. But a few months after I was using it, it just went so slow. I was like freaking slow. It's like scary slow. I tried to open it and it could not read the files. It's just like taking forever. I was trying to transfer 10TB, not 10TB, 10 gig. That's a 10 gig file. And it took like 30 minutes. And it was really slow. It was freakingly scary. So I was like, shit, if I have all my work and I haven't backed it up and it's gonna crash in here, I might as well throw this out. So what I did was I swapped it again. I took out the files from here. Getting confused now. My work files, which I placed here on this 8TB Samsung Evo T5. I move it back to my Samsung Evo, this one here, like the SSD one. And it's good. It works flawlessly. This one here, I have all my vlog files here. And all my vlog files are so scary right now. I might lose it anytime because like until now, I formatted this. I had this checked with Samsung Magician. It's not, I don't know. I can't trust it. It just, I don't know if I have a lemon. I don't know if I have a bad one, but I scanned this drive with the Samsung Magician. I scanned it with other scanners and everything else. The drive is perfect. It didn't show any like crazy things, but whenever I plug into my Mac Air or I plug into my Mac Studio, it takes some time for it to like load, or sometimes when I copy files it takes ages. And this is an SSD, but it copies it so slow. It's slower than a hard disk drive, so it worried me so much. So I haven't determined. I have my vlogs are, I keep on filming and I don't post them, but the files are growing, and I have around 7TB here, 7 point something terabytes here. It's scary if I lose it, but they're just vlogs. They're not my work. This one's work. If this one gets corrupted, I'll be fucked up. If this one gets corrupted, I'll be sad, but I can live. I can just make new vlogs. But yeah, this drive here, I don't recommend. If I don't know if I have the crappy or a lemon, is what I can say. But yeah, if Samsung's gonna see this, I don't know. I don't trust it, guys. If you're gonna send me a new one, that would be good. But yeah, again, they don't sponsor me. I bought this with my own money, and this is my own experience. But yeah, if you want something that's reliable, you might as well get this. If you need 8TB, if you don't need 8TB, just get the Shield. The Shield is so good. It's so fast. A bit expensive though. But this one here, damn, I was like really optimistic with this, and it failed me. Fucking thing. So yeah, just take that with a grain of salt if you're thinking of getting 8TB SSDs, which a lot of people are scary, but I want all my files to be a bit faster than a hard disk drive, and I want to be mobile. So don't trust this. Trust this. I'm using a Ugreen enclosure, and it works flawlessly. I don't know if it's focusing, but yeah, a Ugreen enclosure is good. It's not expensive, not expensive. It's so cheap, but it works well, and it hasn't failed me for, I think I've had it for more than a year, this one, and it's still good. So yeah, just take that with a grain of salt. Not sponsored, just here to help. Take care, guys.